The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War, Part 11. The Quiapo Church, post-war. Pasig River Scene, 1945. Divisoria Market Scene, 1945. Manila Highway Scene, post-war. Around Quiapo, 1945 to 1946. Rizal Avenue, Manila, 1949. Street Scene in Manila, 1945. Scene in front of the Quiapo Church, post-war. Victoria Theater, Pasig, 1945. Nurses' Home, Philippine General Hospital and Lodging for Transit Soldiers, 1946. Life Theater, post-World War II. Scene in front of a destroyed building, post-war. Calesas in front of Quiapo Church, 1946. In front of Pickup Cafe, post-war. Quezon Avenue, after World War II. At the Jones Bridge, post-war. Scene at the side of the Quiapo Church, 1945. Plaza Cervantes, post-World War II. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.